Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Future University account. So let's get started. So to log into your Future University account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Future University login. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says FUE/login. From here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says Future Portal, and after tapping on that option you will come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Student Portal. And after tapping on Student Portal, now what you can do is just enter your account's username. After entering your account's username, you can just enter your account's password and then enter the caption which you can find below. So just enter this caption over here. And after entering this caption, now what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, you can just create a new password for your account. And after creating a new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Future University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.